Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel MLD Concepts Made Easy. In this video, we will learn about basic things in hematology. Hematology is study of blood and blood-forming organs. Hematology is important for diagnosis of diseases. This is a core subject in medical laboratory technology. Components of blood. Blood consists of two main parts. Plasma, 55% of whole blood. Formed elements, 45% of whole blood. Plasma consists of water, proteins, electrolytes and hormones. Formed elements of blood are red blood cells, white blood cells and platelets. Blood cells and their functions. RBC transport oxygen and carbon dioxide. There are 5 types of WBC: neutrophils, lymphocytes, monocytes, eosinophils and basophils. WBC help in body defense and immunity. Platelets are help in blood clotting and prevent excessive bleeding. Common hematological tests are hemoglobin estimation, total RBC count, total WBC count, differential count, platelet count, ESR, peripheral blood smear examination, and coagulation tests. Hematology is important in diagnose diseases like anemia, infections, leukemia, and bleeding disorders. Also, hematology is essential for patient management and blood transfusion services. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.